Now I am in Toby base dot got. Everybody, maybe majority people is got this token Toby, included me. Maybe you are, therefore you're watching this video, you are got this, you're founding this video on Google, on YouTube, therefore. So if you are like me, you got this token, congratulations for that, and come into my Telegram to part of this, like my family. Okay, people called, so you are my actually family. So I don't wanna waste my time, your time, so I will show you the update of Toby token. So here we go. Maybe you will get something. Just if you noticed there every post, you see that everything like positive way that Toby is going to be well. So if you notice their, you know profile, that their follower is not so much, you know they are like 9,653 followers just, but they listed their token on sushi swap already, but not yet get any exchanger there. So if I show you the ultimate update about Toby token, the good news is here. Toby token will be burned, pump. I noticed one post here. So maybe this one. So update tot tired today, good progress, 90% of supply distributed and 51% to go, almost 170k plus base wallet now hold. Toby prophecy step closure, new airdrop mechanism, tot dev discovered works, scales, base congestion still exists, strategic timing on executing required for cost efficiency, to be sent to 1.42 million wallets, included you and me get this token. 1.42 million wallet is the designated goal. Maybe they collected your wallet through airdrop, like you already joined a lot of airdrop, therefore you get this token. Because of, if you just create account, you don't you didn't join any, like you didn't join, like you never join any airdrop, how they will know that your address is this? They will put distribution token into your address. It doesn't make sense as, because of you participate other airdrop, they collect that address and they send automatically. You don't need to participate for that, because of they just did marketing for that, because they need customer. So they totally free give you this thing, you are holding this thing, and very soon I'm hoping that it will be pumped. So anyways, we are hustler here, we need ultimate money. So to be sent 1.42 million wallets is the designated goal. Now only two frog verses needed, patience and time. What you noticed here? Now only two frog verses needed, patience and time. Toby will teach you both. Keep practicing, studying, toddler. Slow at start and traction. Have you noticed slow at start and traction for upwards relaxability? As time goes on, study the mechanics, everything by design. Stomach the volatility, and look at bigger picture. So just need time here. So to dev experience, two malicious draining attempts already. Be cautious and worry of scammers. Have security measures in place. Don't lose Toby. Okay, don't lose your money. They provide you. So if I go my bitget account, here we see our Toby token. So it's pretty much like loading. I'm restoring this thing. So if you noticed here, my Toby token price was $24 worthwhile. They provide every wallet to 295 million Toby token. That is, if you notice, $12 now worthwhile. But I hope this price would be increased in the near future, because they just listed on sushi swap. I've already mentioned my earlier previous two videos about Toby. So this price was like $24. I already lost $12, but end of the day I will get better than this price. Okay, just watch this update. So see you later in the next time, and I'm hoping you will do comment if you watch this video. And if you are come in comment box, you will see a link where you will get my telegram link, where I put my ultimate, my ultimate airdrop. So like here is our 13 subscriber, just a genuine subscriber. They are in here from Cameroon, from across all around the world. So thank you for joining here. If you are wanna be part of our family, come into here. I definitely will be appreciate to you, and they do comment, I try to do answer. So the ultimate thing is coming to my YouTube and watching this video. I appreciate to you to subscribe if you don't yet. Okay, so I want just from you that thing. 214 videos I already uploaded, 10 subscriber, but I don't wanna like get any scams, any spam subscriber. I wanna get just genuine and real human subscriber. But ultimate is the airdrop learner, the cryptocurrency learner is my genuine audience here. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.